I love your new hat.
I'm glad because I paid a lot of money for it.
No. Why? You got your eyes closed?
Got it. It's so dark down in there. On the lid.
How the hell do these people get in and out of here with vehicles?
I have no idea how they're going to get in and out of here.
Can she do it? Powdered sugar sand sucks. That's a no-go. It's powdered sugar. Not so good. Good exercise though. Love pushing a 60-pound bike. Later.
We're going for the rock. And should anything go wrong, I don't know where to find my body. Love you, Jay. That's one big piece of sandstone. Okay, so I just landed on a sand beach. Just saying. Pretty freaking cool today. And there's the backside of the rock with the sand beach. Unbelievable. I think I'll get off and stretch my legs. Whew, I'm whooped.
That truck is so small.
It's so tiny.
Look at the jet skis on the back. You want me to leave? You got it. Largest coal-fired electric generation station in Arizona. Consumes 24,000 tons of coal per day.
That does not make me a proud American.
Per day.
How about a solar field all out through there?
Those stacks are 775 feet tall. last day. We're out of here. Thought we drew a little drop in on this video like I did on the last one. Seeing how the last one I was wearing shorts and flip-flops. We're what, 2 stops from Lake Mead, and it's in the 40s, in the 30s every night. The snow keeps moving further down the mountains towards us. We'll see what happens tonight. But editing the video and looking at all of the hiking, biking, and stand-up paddleboarding we did in Lake Powell really makes me wish we were back there.
This is pretty, it's beautiful when the sun's out. It's gorgeous.
Yeah. All right. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.